We're at Council Bluffs, Iowa for the 23rd annual WHO Great Iowa Tractor Ride. Antique tractors come together in one location, go out on 70-mile loops every day, and come back and commune with each other.
Titan got involved about 15 years ago, and what we did, we had an invitation to join them as a sponsor. We made this kind of an all-in philosophy in joining WHO. So we come out here early, we set up, we help participate with the radio station in setting up, we entertain. We've scaled just about every one of these tractors here, set air pressures for them, and showed them the effects of proper air pressure and maintenance of the tires, and it's a great experience.
Titan's involved from day one. We can't execute anything we do here without Titan's support and Titan's help.
These guys are like a family. They get together, they hang out. If there's a problem with a tractor, these guys will jump on it, fix it, and have you ready for the next day. I mean, it's just like a community here, so everybody gets along great. They like to socialize at night, ride during the day. It's a good hangout spot. For the first couple years, we did this and we participated, sponsored, threw water, we give waters out. And then we decided, hey, let's get a tractor and get involved in this.
What happened when we got that is we became one of the brothers. We were out on the front line with them. We were getting baked in the sun with them. We were getting poured in the rain with these guys. And that was kind of that tractor has really made a big difference in the persona that we're, projecting to these guys is, you know what? We're not just a tire manufacturer. We're real people out here to have fun and enjoy the world go by at 12 miles an hour.
The first time on that, you can't explain it. You just got to get out and do it. I mean, it's amazing.
It's meditation. It really is. You've got the thump, thump, thump of the motor going. You're going 12 miles an hour. A kid can run next to you just as fast as you're going. I mean, that's how fast you're going. But you smell the smells, you smell the corn, you smell the beans, you smell the cut hay, you smell that, and the whole world actually just slows up. And that to me it's meditation. It's a release actually.
When we first started this, it was a lot of the older generation, and every year it seems they're bringing more of their family in with them. So the younger, maybe the sons are getting involved, and now the grandkids are here. Well, there's a guy today with his grandson on there, sleeping in a car seat with him the whole ride. So I mean, that's awesome.
And that's the beauty about agriculture, and that's the beauty about farmers, is they pass it on, and the kids get it, and they understand the importance of agriculture and the importance of what their grandpa did and their dad's doing and what they want to end up doing.
What we want to do with WHO Radio is bring back together all generations of Iowa farmers to experience all of these tractors and give them the opportunity to see the great history of all of these makes and models, no matter what color and no matter where they've come from.
When you show up on the grounds with your trailer and you're trailered up with a tractor, people, they come greet you. It's like you're coming to a family reunion, and you get that every year. You may not see these people for an entire year, but they come to greet you.
I just know the goodwill that we've provided, and to show, Titan works hard for their business. We're a partner with these guys.